Hi, friend. Welcome to my spirit house. I'm Quinn Red Mountain, and I wanted to share about this one particular type of spiritual practice or life way practice that I have worked with for over 20 years that has just brought so many insights and awareness and help to me and many other people through the practices that I share. I used to call it shamanic journeying. And, a number of people do call such a practice that, but now I call it spirit world journeying. And I have my drum here. And so here's the deal. Our brains are hardwired for trance, right? We love the sense of repetitive, life is filled with repetitive action, walking, picking, moving. We often do the same motions again and again, which kinds of creates a trance in our brain. It softens down the everyday tight mind thinking. And this other part of us we get access to, like our dreaming mind. So then when we add in an aspect of the rhythm, well, there's the rhythm of the motion, right? The walking, we hear the step, 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 running, step, 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 step. So many other things in our physical life. And our brain starts to swoon a little bit, and our dreaming mind begins to supersede the everyday hard thinking mind. And then all of these things are possible, especially when we have an intention where we're not just doing our daily things, but we realize we need some help. So then there's another layer of this, which is that there is not just the physical world that we have been taught there is. There's all these other realms of non-physicality where all of these beings or energies or voices or helpers or ancestors are. And so when we use these repetitive, lulling sounds, especially a drum or a rattle, alone or with others, really interesting things can happen. We can begin to more clearly hear things, see things like visions. We can cultivate that ability. Yes, we can cultivate that ability. We don't have to run from it and think, oh no, it's weird. No, there's value in it. Amazing answers come, and ideas come, and healings can come from our asking and our receiving, all in what we might call, or what we've been taught maybe, is our imagination. And you may have been discounted in the past for such things that have come to you. But in my circles, there's no need to be discounted. It's all helpful. And anything that seems to not be helpful, we work with. Bring it into a helpful place, or it needs to leave. Again and again and again, so many times I can't even count anymore. These practices, the drum, the rattle, the intention, the group, the wisdom in the group, a little bit of support and guidance can just open worlds, change realities, and help us heal. So you are welcome to any circle that I offer. They're all at weboflifeanimus.com at the events calendar. They are in my bio in my link tree. They are at quinn.com under services. I think that's what it is. Circles. check it out. It is a birthright of yours, and I am here to help you reclaim it. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Be well. Be careful. You are loved.